Somehow it's already May, and that means it's time for us to do another month of our monthly testing, where we test the life safety systems that I have installed at my house, including the fire alarm system in the house, as well as the fire alarm system in the garage. We'll also be testing some of the other backup systems, like our backup emergency generator and our emergency lighting. However, this month we're going to be doing something a little special. Aside from just putting our fire alarm systems into alarm when everything else is normal, today we're going to be doing all of that, but with the power out. We're going to go into the house and turn off the main power to the entire property. Alright, let's shut this down. Alright, power's out in 3, 2, 1. Okay, there you have it. That's got the power shut off to the entire property and everything running in emergency mode. So let's start off with, we'll just leave this as is. The generator can run this. Nothing really special is going on inside the building other than the generator supplying power. However, in the house, we don't have generator power, so everything's on battery backup. So let's get things started off by testing our house system. Now, doing the no power test was already one of the requests. However, we're also going to be doing the other request of where to activate the house system, which was the front door pull station. Fire door in this case is already closed, as well as the furnace is already shut down, so that part won't get tested. We're just going to leave everything as is and pull the fire alarm. You would have seen too that this wasn't pulling previous to me activating the pull station to save power. So that's got us in alarm. This sounder strobe is good. Main upstairs one. The primary bedroom one is good. Spare bedroom. Spare bedroom is good. Office. Office is good. My bedroom here. My bedroom is good. This here, this is running off the UPS. Garage. That's good. That's not good. Well, there we go. So that is why we do our monthly tests. It's trying to work. Yeah. Well, that device got to be replaced. We'll continue on here. There's what I was showing. Pull stations don't visibly pull when power's out. If you were to pull it, it would still go. It's still communicating. It's just saving power. The detectors still do pull, however. We'll finish up checking the house here. I checked my bedroom. That was good. This main level 1 device is good. This gym room is good. This LED strobe is good. Furnace shut down. When it's an alarm, that does turn the backlighting on. We'll acknowledge our fire alarm. All right, level 2. That's all looking how it should. Need to reset this guy up here. And we can always do a system reset from the annunciator here, because why not? You see we don't have backlighting. It might come on when we reset it. I don't know if it will though. No, it won't. Just remembered I forgot to check that it put the garage system into supervisory, but it takes a bit for the relay to go back. It's got that monitor activated and has us in supervisory. The blue outside strobe also was flashing. I just caught the tail end of that, but it was flashing. 2 things there I completely forgot to check on, but those are good. So here we are just sitting with our AC failed. Battery voltage is still good. Now, as for out here, some people might not like the decision I'm gonna make, but I think I'm gonna restore power, as there's not really any point of doing the fire alarm test on generator power. It doesn't change anything. It's just running on AC from the generator instead of from BC Hydro. It doesn't make any difference to the fire alarm system. We've given the generator a good warm up, good exercise, so I think we'll put the power back on, watch it transfer over, and then we'll test our garage system and see if there's any more devices not working. Okay. This main breaker is really stiff. It's so funny. This 200 amp breaker is genuinely harder to turn on than a 1600 amp breaker with the big handle on it. All right. Lights are all back on. This guy is noisy now because the charger is charging almost at 2 amps, which is close to the maximum charge rate of 2 amps. Here's the power supply working a little harder than usual. We're now transferred back over to utility power. The generator is just running its cool down time. I think I got it set to about 20 to 30 seconds after the power's back on before we transfer over to make sure it's good and stable. And then after it's transferred over, there's another couple minutes before this actually shuts down to allow the generator to run without any load on it and have some time for the engine to cool down. That has our generator shut back down, by the way, that emergency light there. All these outdoor ones do it, and some of the higher end units also provide that, where they'll stay on a given amount of time after the power's been out. This one is 15 minutes. It's because some places they might be installed have high pressure sodium or some high intensity discharge lighting where it can take 10-15 minutes for those to heat back up and relight fully after a power outage. So even when the power's back on, you won't have light while those HID lights are starting back up. So that's why they stay on 15 minutes after. That's got the generator shut back down. You can see the damper's still open. It's obviously not being held open on generator running because the generator's off, so it's just that the building's heated up enough to trip our high temperature open, where this will just stay open until the temperatures goes back down. It usually wouldn't be open at this time of the day because it's not that hot outside, but the generator was just running, so it will hold open until the temperature comes down in that building. Okay, so that's all done. So now for our garage fire alarm system, let's start that test. For this, I think we should do the sprinkler flow. It's been a little bit since we've done the sprinkler system. Alrighty, let's get it. Valve's not open all the way, just enough. Okay, so you see, we tripped that module. Our main horn strobe in here, that's working good. Bathroom strobe is working. Storage room strobe is operational. This outdoor strobe, that's good. Our blue building annunciation strobe, that's good. This guy's good. Sounds like there's a train coming to a railroad crossing. Someone pointed that thing out, that's how this sounds, and I can't argue with it. It's a little bit fast, but it kind of sounds like an electronic bell. We'll look at the CO detector. Alrighty. I did also get my text and email notifications for both systems, so that part's still working like it's supposed to be. Okay, now we're gonna test the emergency lighting in the garage. The house already all got tested when we shut off the power, but here, we weren't in here to check it all, and it was only on for a little bit before the generator starts, so we'll put on some of our emergency lighting circuits. That's one. That's one. That does some stuff. This does the generator building, which has an emergency light in it. I think that's it. Put the lights off so you can see a little better. Our exit sign emergency combo above the door is working good. This unit up here is working good. This guy back here is working good. This one in the bathroom, this one's working. That one's also working. You can see this guy up here is working good, and yeah, it's definitely still warm in here, so that's why that damper's staying open. We already know this guy is working fine. Check on this shed over here. This completely unnecessary unit is working just fine. So that's all good. Not gonna bother with the UPSs. I know they're fine, except for this one that keeps the stereo and stuff going. It still does work, but this one needs a new battery. So I'll have to find what size this takes and get a new one at some point. And the ones in the house do a self-test, so those ones are all okay. Alright, so that's gonna do it for our May testing. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those in the comment section. If you do enjoy the channel, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you are interested, I do have an Instagram account at Pickle700 for bonus content and stuff posted earlier than you'd see it on the YouTube channel, that sort of thing. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.